There's something quietly transformative about spending a weekend with your hands wrapped around wood, a vision in your mind, and a project taking form beneath your fingertips. For many, woodworking begins as a whisper, just an idea or hobby, an escape from the routine pressures of daily life. But within those weekend projects lies a deeper story, the journey from a casual creator to a thriving craftsman. It's a journey marked by sawdust, small victories, quiet frustrations, and eventually, immense personal and professional satisfaction. Weekend Crafted isn't just about filling your Saturday afternoons. It's a lifestyle for wood lovers seeking growth, purpose, and creative expression. Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of weekend crafted woodworking projects ideas for woodwork lovers. The first few weekend projects are often filled with hesitation. A beginner may find themselves pacing in a garage, unfamiliar with the tools, unsure if they're holding the right saw, or if their vision can be brought to life. The learning curve feels steep, yet something keeps them coming back. The way a rough piece of timber becomes smooth under sandpaper, the satisfaction of driving in a perfect joint, the smell of freshly cut pine. Each small success feeds a hunger to continue, and before long, weekends are no longer just downtime. They're dedicated sessions of growth, confidence, and exploration. At the heart of weekend woodworking lies intention. When you only have a couple of days, you learn to focus your energy. You begin to appreciate planning. You spend time measuring twice, cutting once, sketching out dimensions, and understanding how to get the most out of every plank. And in that focused effort, you're not just building an item, you're building a mindset. Weekend projects, though limited in hours, expand your creative thinking and sharpen your problem-solving abilities. They teach patience. They reveal your dedication. For many, the beauty of weekend crafted projects is in their manageable scope. You're not taking on massive cabinetry or renovating a whole room. You're crafting a wine rack, a rustic stool, a minimalist wall shelf, or a wooden centerpiece that brings charm to a dining table. These projects, while small in scale, carry deep emotional and aesthetic value. They become conversation pieces, gifts, and proof that something useful and beautiful can come from your own two hands. As time goes on, these weekend efforts evolve. What began as a distraction becomes a passion. A simple workshop starts to take shape. First a folding workbench, then a growing collection of tools earned and learned. The garage that once stored boxes and bicycles now feels like a sacred creative space. And the projects? They become more ambitious. Coffee tables, bookshelves, jewelry boxes with hidden compartments. You begin to see wood differently, not just as a material, but as a partner in your creative process. This transformation isn't just personal. It begins to ripple outward. Friends and family start noticing your work. They ask if you could make something for them, a birthday gift, a custom planter, maybe even furniture. With each request, your confidence grows. You start sharing your work online, uploading a photo to Instagram, posting a video tutorial on YouTube, or listing a few pieces on Etsy. The world responds. Suddenly, this weekend habit starts bringing in extra income. Orders come in. Positive feedback builds. Your name is associated not just with your day job, but with quality craftsmanship and creativity. What makes this journey especially empowering is that it is self-driven. There is no gatekeeper, no need for formal degree. All you need is a willingness to learn, a respect for the process, and the persistence to keep going when the glue set's wrong or the cut is slightly off. And those mistakes? They're not failures. They're part of your evolution as a craftsman. Each error teaches you something invaluable about patience, about tools, about the nature of wood itself. You start seeing every knot, every grain, every imperfection as part of the story your hands are trying to tell. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The lifestyle that unfolds from consistent weekend crafting is also one of balance. It's the joy of creation without the overwhelming pressure of commercial deadlines. It's about making space for passion amid life's responsibilities. You might spend 5 days a week in an office, on a construction site, or raising children, but come the weekend, you reclaim your time, your tools, and your creativity. That rhythm brings both structure and freedom. It turns the end of the week into a ritual of renewal. And for many wood lovers, that rhythm eventually leads to something greater. Maybe it's launching a small side business, creating content to teach others, opening a booth at a local craft fair, or mentoring a younger generation of makers. Perhaps it's simply becoming the go-to person in the community for custom, handcrafted pieces that carry meaning. Whatever the destination, the path always begins in the same place: a weekend, a piece of wood, and a craftsman willing to try. The market, too, is eager for authenticity. In a world flooded with mass-produced items, people crave products with story and soul. A simple wall-mounted keyholder made by hand carries more weight than any factory-made counterpart. A wooden bench built in your own shop reflects hours of intention and care. These objects, born from weekends, become heirlooms, gifts, and even symbols of identity for the people who buy them. Moreover, the personal growth that comes with each project is immeasurable. As a craftsman, you begin to see the world differently. You notice how furniture is built. You appreciate the lines and shapes in architecture. You become more attuned to quality. And beyond the technical skills, you cultivate traits like focus, resilience, and craftsmanship. You begin to see your own progress, not just in finished pieces, but in how you approach challenges, how you plan, how you adapt. That evolution is its own reward. Weekend Crafted is more than a catchphrase, it's a movement, a mindset, a testament to what is possible when you give yourself permission to create. It reminds us that skill is not innate, it's nurtured. That passion can fit between the spaces of a busy life. And that with just a few hours, a simple idea, and a love for wood, you can build not just beautiful pieces, but a beautiful life. In the end, the journey from weekend tinkerer to thriving craftsman is a mosaic of sawdust-covered Saturdays, late-night sketches, and that singular moment when someone admires your work and says, "You made this." Yes, you did. And that's only the beginning. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked weekend-crafted woodworking projects ideas for woodwork lovers. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.